Okay, so in previous video we talked about integrating Liquibase with Spring Boot, and this is how a Spring Boot application looks like, right? So nothing special, just a plain Spring Boot application, and we added certain files so it can match with the directory structure proposed by Liquibase. And as of now, we just have one XML file, that is a root XML, and we wrote everything in the same file, and everything means this SQL query. So this is what we know right now, and since we are starting, so this is okay. And since it's a Spring Boot application, so we executed it through main method. So right click, run as application. So if everything goes fine, so we should see some logs from Liquibase. There it is. Lots of libraries gets imported, and if we check, it says it has executed one file previous run. So it already knows that you have already executed something earlier. So it won't execute it again. Run 0, previously executed 1, so total change set, it just counts 1. Okay, so if we cross check what was our database, let's verify again in application properties file, sb liquibase db. Okay, so sb liquibase db, there it is, right? And these are the tables, right? So we have already discussed it, so I don't need to explain it again. Fine, but in today's video we will see if I don't want to run it through Spring Boot and I want to use Liquibase command. So how we can do that? So for that we have to switch over to the official website of Liquibase. So just Google search Liquibase and you will find this link. Either you can search from here or we have an option download Liquibase. So I will click on download Liquibase and it gives me CLI, Spring Boot, all these options. So I'll remain on CLI, and if I scroll I can see Windows and Mac. So according to your machine you can pick the versions, and then it gives you option, either you can go for the download installer. I mean it will give you a exe file and then you can install it, or you can just download its zip file. So guys, it's totally up to you whether you want to install it, but I'll suggest, I mean it's my preference, I don't will be, needed this installer, and I can run this whole command through the zip file as well. So yeah, click on this and it will start downloading the zip file. So I already have it, you can see this is a zip file which we needed. So it's a prox 340 MB file, or download it. So you don't need, if so you have to download this file. So once your file, you can locate it here. There it is, Spring Liquibase zip file. So I'll cut this out because I'll put it somewhere so I can reuse it multiple times. Cut this project and I'll put this in my uh, place, paste. Let's unzip it. WinRAR extract. Okay, so this is the folder 431, and these are the required libraries. So this is my command, Liquibase. So we are going to use this command, or you can also use the batch command. Fine, so this is the path. I'll copy this path, and now I'm going to set this path in my environment variables. It's not NVIDIA, environment system, environment variables. Then this is the path. I'll say edit, and here I'll save this path. Okay, yes, you don't need to go inside some other folder, just be in the root folder, and click OK, click OK. Fine, now let's verify is it coming or not. So I'll open a command prompt and write Liquibase, and yeah, something is happening, and yes, we can see something came up. It doesn't say not found or something. Okay, now we can check the version as well. So write Liquibase, and these are the possible commands. So we can check, there's a command for version. um, that is -v or hyphen version. So we are good with -v, and it should give 4 point something, 4.31.0. So that's the latest version right now present on its official document. So we have successfully set up the Liquibase in our machine, and